I've had 12 of these forgings delivered. 3 o'clock Friday. Can we pick them up Monday morning? Anyway, what I want to suggest, or if anybody can tell me, I had some comments on my video about why I'm packing in and saying it's dangerous, families worried about working on my own. So I thought I'll show how dangerous it can be by putting a dead animal in the chuck, possibly a pig. I set it in here with its head stuck out and its back end stuck out there, and set the chuck going and see what happens to it. Think if you can help me, if anybody knows, would I be able to put it on YouTube, or would they shut my channel down or anything like that? But it'd just show what would happen if I got caught in the chuck, or anybody. I haven't seen anything like that on YouTube, so if you know, leave me a message please. Should be interesting.